I'm Brad Leavitt, president of AFT Construction. We are out here at our commercial project. This is a facelift. Mark here, you're gonna see him. He's our superintendent. He's done a phenomenal job on this project. This has been his baby. And we're taking this shopping center from this old Southwest dated to make it more modern. So stay tuned as we walk around and fill you in. So this is our orange tree facelift, and Mark can actually give you, I have the microphone, but Mark can give you a quick idea of what we're doing here.
So we're pretty much refacing the whole building from front to back, sides, all the way around, and also the little Happy Pets building that's stuck in the corner back there. So a big facelift.
So we'll take you back there. So yeah, as Mark's alluding, this was a very dated, I don't even know if we'll call it Southwest. It was this old,
very
outdated, weird pop-outs, kind of funky metal through here. And so the whole intent was to freshen the shopping center in Mesa and clean it up. We're on the, northwest corner on McKellips and Gilbert. And so EOS Fitness, there used to be a Bashas' here. They've taken over and this whole facade's changing, and so all the shops here are gonna match. So we'll give you a tour around so you guys can see the facelift we're giving this place. So one of the issues in Phoenix, I mean, we're not that old of a city as compared to back east, but you know, some of the styles are pretty old and dated, and so there's been a modernization throughout town, especially Central Phoenix, Arcadia. You see that area changing. Mesa has followed suit. Downtown Mesa has changed a lot with the architecture, and here in North Mesa, they're following suit. One of the keys is they want to modernize this a little bit more, and you can see for the tenants, this gives them a lot more value to their retail space, as you have a fitness center, and then everything's a lot cleaner and more attractive. So one thing Mark's done is he's done a great job, you know, from the safety aspect, working with all the tenants. He's communicated with all of them. You can see he has open pathways, and then everywhere where there's an occupant, an occupying space, you can see that he's built a little shelter here so that they have access as the clients are walking in and out of the tenant space, so there's no injury from debris or things falling up above.
The original used to be these ugly pop-outs up on top with old curves to them. It had exterior lights with big old-fashioned globes. We took all that off. We pulled off all the pop-outs. We reframed all these new pop-outs and these metal canopies we installed. It's going to be stucco on the pop-outs, and then inset there's going to be a Trex material to make it just kind of pop with a different color. All this steel up here is all brand new. The old canopy was a lot smaller, it was further back, and all their signage was all back there, so it was kind of hard to see up this street right here. Now the signage is all going to be up front, so more visible.
So to Mark's point, you can see here that parapet's been extended and those metal canopies are all decorative, right? And then that Trex system is to give the feel of wood.
Yeah.
You know, just a decorative element to the exterior, make it look nice, but Trex, we know, does a great job, you know, very low maintenance, you know, being outside. So Trex, is it like a fiber material?
It's I think it's considered
composite?
a composite,
It's a composite
material.
Yeah.
It's like a bunch of fiberglass and plastic all compressed together to give it a look of wood. So I do believe it comes in different colors, and it has grain on it, so it does look like wood.
So yeah, to Mark's point, so it is a composite, and it's typically installed on decks, outdoor decks.
Correct.
You know, restaurants, residential, and here you can use it on the vertical facade of a building to give you that wood look. But you know, so right here, this will be the Trex that's installed in here. This will all, of course, be re-stuccoed. Mark, you're going to be doing a synthetic integrated color, right?
Correct.
Here on the stucco, and then of course the metal canopy. So you're going to have a few different elements with the Trex, the integrated color stucco, and then of course the metal.
A lot of challenges we had. The engineer and architect drew everything assuming that we were bolting these canopies to masonry block wall. When we tore off the old stucco, we found that a lot of it was framing and not block.
So there's no backing.
So no backing. We had to re-engineer and come up with a different solution to be able to support these canopies on the framed areas.
Thanks for tuning in to the AFT Construction YouTube channel. Make sure you please like, comment, subscribe. For any support you can give us, we really appreciate it.